Alright, let's talk briefly about how to set up the preferences or the settings for ON1 Effects to make it work the best for you. Simply launch Effects and then go to the Preferences menu. You'll find that under the Effects menu on a Mac or under the Edit menu on Windows. In the Preferences dialog, you can control how your scroll bar on your mouse works. By default, the scroll bar isn't going to do anything, but you could also set it to adjust the zoom of your preview, or your brush size, or to pan your preview if you're using a touch-sensitive device like a trackpad. You can also adjust your preview background color, the color that's behind your photo, and you can set the interface accent color. You can also override the automatic language selection and select which language you'd like the user interface to appear in. Under the Plugin tab, you can select what file type is created and returned to Adobe Lightroom. And finally, under the System tab, you can adjust a few performance and memory handling options. The first section deals with the amount of memory and video memory that's used. The default is 80%, and I would rarely advise turning those down. The bottom Performance section deals with your video card and how the preview window is updated when you zoom and pan or adjust settings. We do our best to automatically set these, but you can override them if necessary. If your preview is laggy or your brush performance isn't fast and snappy, try lowering your video card strength slider down. That will make zooming and panning and brushing more performant, but it'll be a slightly lower quality. If you have a high-end video card, you can use the higher end of the range. Your preview will maintain higher quality while zooming and panning and brushing. You can learn more about all of these preferences and when you might want to adjust them in the user guide. Thanks for watching.